gonna love you like the woman I love. We don't have to hurry. You can take as long as you want. I'm holding steady. My heart's at home. With my hand behind me, I will catch you if you fall. Yeah, I'm gonna love you like the woman I love. Sometimes the world can make you feel you're not welcome anymore, and you beat yourself up, let yourself get mad. And in those times when you stop loving that woman I adore, you can relax, because babe, I got your back. I got you. I don't need to change. You got it under control. You wake up each day different. Another reason for me to keep holding on. And I'm not attached to any way you're showing up. I'm just gonna love you like the woman I